You should not store your e-mobility device in an area where it experiences prolonged exposure to sunlight, rain, and the elements. Hence, when it is not in use, it is recommended to store the e-mobility device indoors or in an area which is protected against these elements. The battery pack of the e-mobility device should be stored in an environment with an ambient temperature within the rated operating temperature range to prolong its lifespan and best retain its original performance with age. Most of the time, this rated operating temperature range is between 0 to 50 degrees Celsius, but check your specific device manual to confirm, as this may be different. Note that the operating temperature range is different to the charging temperature range, so don't get confused between these two parameters. When storing the e-mobility device for long time periods without use, it is best to charge the lithium-ion battery pack to the optimal long-term storage charge level. This will prolong the lifespan and best retain the performance characteristics of the lithium-ion battery. The optimal long-term storage charge range of your device will be specific in the product manual. For most lithium-ion batteries, the optimal long-term storage charge range is between 30 to 70%, but please check the manual to confirm this. So when storing your e-mobility device for long periods of time, you should think about which charge level to bring your battery to and ensure it is between the optimal long-term storage charge range. Many manufacturers recommend that you recharge your lithium-ion battery regularly to avoid falling out of this optimal range. Your device product manual will instruct on how often this regular charging should occur, but it is commonly around once every 1 to 2 months. Now, you should make sure that your storage and charging area has a fire detection device to ensure that any fire events are detected, which allows for evacuation before the fire spreads. Some e-mobility products will allow you to remove the lithium-ion battery pack from the vehicle. However, please refer to the manual to see if this is allowed for your particular vehicle before attempting this. If you are storing the lithium-ion battery packs outside the vehicle, you must ensure that they are stored in an area where there is no risk of the battery falling, of another object falling onto, piercing, or striking the battery, of exposure to chemicals, liquids, or water, or of exposure to conductive materials which can short out the terminals.